Hi guys, welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me, I'm Annie. My channel is all about ways to get free. So time freedom is the most important. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. So time freedom is when you don't have to trade your hour for a dollar amount of someone else's choosing. And that comes when you are financially free. So that's what I want this channel to be for you guys. I hope it helps you make decisions on what the best way for you is to get free, and let's get free together. Let's go. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another review with Get Free with Annie. That's me, I'm Annie. Let's jump right into this review. What is it? Affiliate Marketing Mastery. It's an overall general affiliate marketing course that teaches you how to make money online with affiliate marketing using mostly free traffic and some paid traffic. It focuses on building a brand by providing value to customers. It was created by this guy, Stefan. He's very successful, well-known affiliate marketer. You can find pictures of him hanging out with Tony Robbins and people like that. So he is very well known. He is a life coach, a business coach. He's got a YouTube channel called Project Life Mastery where he has over 1 million subscribers. He's got a really popular blog as well. He's earned something crazy like $350,000 in 2 months before with affiliate marketing. He also used to have a Kindle publishing business, which he used to teach people how to do that instead of affiliate marketing. Got a lot of criticism for that, so I haven't done much research on that, but he switched it over to affiliate marketing. So that's what his course is now. You can actually see that here. Talks about, still has that course, Mastering Book Publishing. Man, there's a lot of glare on these. Take these puppies off. And now he does more with just regular affiliate marketing. So what's different about his new training program on affiliate marketing that is different from every other affiliate marketing course? I would say that the main difference is it's very brand focused. So Stefan is all about teaching you how to build your brand, which can be very helpful in becoming successful. If you have a brand, people know who you are, you have authority, but it is also not easy. It takes a lot of time. You have to pump out a ton of high quality information. You have to have a niche and a hook, and people got to know who you are because that's what a brand is. So he focuses on that, which is awesome, but really hard. So especially if you're a beginner. So that's the main difference. So what's included in his training program? There are 7 core modules with titles like Advanced Keyword and Market Research. So goes into keywords and how to get to the right audience, doing research to be able to be talking to your right market. Brand building and online influencing. So again, making how you make a brand, how you actually become somebody who influences people to do something. That's basically how you build a brand. Getting visitors and followers. That is the way that you make money, is by getting traffic to literally anything you're doing online. You can be doing any business. You're not going to make money if you don't have visitors and followers. And then making money with affiliate marketing. So how you actually make money after you learn how to be an affiliate marketer. He's got 50 plus video lessons ranging from 10 to 40 minutes each. And then he's got 30 bonus lessons, and you also get access to his private Facebook group. So how does his program work? Basically, it works like affiliate marketing works. So you find other people's products that you can promote, good stand-up products that people are actually going to buy that are high converting. Then you learn how to market those products through blogging, through YouTube, and through email marketing. might be one more that he teaches you how to do it through, but blogging, YouTube, and email are the main ones. Then you convert the leads that come. So leads means the people who come to your blog, who come to your YouTube channel, who are on your email list. You convert those leads that you get from marketing into sales. So when they come to your blog site, they click on your link and make a sale. And then you earn a commission from each one of those sales. So the product vendor, the person who created the product, gets usually about 50%, and you get 50% once somebody buys. So that's how it works. So who is this course for? If you are a big fan of Stefan James and what he does, and you want him to be the one to teach you the basics of digital marketing in general, because he calls his course affiliate marketing, but it's very general, so I would call it more like just digital marketing. You really like him and you want to learn exactly what he's doing, the way that he's doing it, and you have a ton of time. You're not in a rush to start making money. You really want to build up a brand and an online presence, and you don't mind if it takes a few years and a lot of time and effort, then this course would be for you, because it is a legitimate course, but it is not a fast course by any means at all. Which brings me to, who is it not for? If you're a complete beginner and you just want a very in-depth, specific, step-by-step training on how to make high-ticket affiliate commission with affiliate marketing in a somewhat quick manner. Starting a business is never in 2 days, but not 2 years. If that's what you're looking for, then this probably isn't for you. So if you don't have patience when it comes to making money online, a better course to check out would be the one that is linked in my description, of course. Pros. Stefan is a very well-known and legit dude. He's a 7-figure internet entrepreneur. He's a life and business coach. He's the founder of Project Life Mastery, which has over 1 million subscribers. So he's a legit dude. He's not a fake guru. That's a pro. His course is pretty newbie friendly. You don't need to know much. Pro. White hat methods are taught. No shady business. No get rich quick by doing this and cheating this way and cutting corners. So that's really good. He does teach free and paid traffic methods, which I like. There should always be both. Both are very important. I do like that Stefan's strategies focus on long-term success, not just teaching you how to make a quick buck. So you do learn a wide spectrum of affiliate marketing, which could be a pro or a con. Some people want it to be more specific. I'm going to call it a pro here because he does teach you WordPress, blogging, YouTube channel creating, Facebook ads, which aren't my favorite, and email marketing. So he teaches you all the main ways to make money with affiliate marketing. Cons. He doesn't teach you very much SEO training, so search engine optimization, like with Google and things like that. It does take a very long time, I think, to start making money with his program, because there really aren't many success stories from his students. Like, there's a few people on his sales page, like, giving him praises, but they're not his students. They're his peers. And he doesn't really have any testimonials from any of his students anywhere saying, like, yes, I took this course and now I'm making money from it. I think that's because the success rate is probably fairly low, because it takes such a long time to make money with his methods that people give up. Really want to see that you can make at least a little bit of money in a fairly short amount of time, because then you can use that money for paid ads. Better alternatives. I'm going to give you 2. One of them I am not an affiliate for, but I do think that it's a good system. It's the Authority Site system. It's $1,000, so it's pretty high price. and they do try to upsell you on some stuff, but they do have more testimonials from real people. So there is at least some proof that people are making money with it. It still takes a lot longer than the next one I'm going to recommend to you, but I think it's a better option than affiliate marketing mastery if you are going to invest that much money in it, because affiliate marketing mastery is the same price, and I don't think that it's quite as good as this one. The second one I'm going to recommend to you, I am an affiliate for, because I think it's the best option for affiliate marketing courses. If you are a little bit lazy and you don't want to have to do everything yourself, and you don't want it to take a very long time, they actually build traffic attracting pages in as little as 5 minutes each, seriously, and they get a lot of visitors. So it's faster. They give you a ton of done for you stuff, so it's easier, and it's also cheaper somehow than the other two courses. This one is linked in the description of this video and in all my videos. If you want to check it out, you do need to watch the webinar first. I'm just going to be straightforward with you. You have to enter your email address in so that I can get your email address, and you're going to learn how to do that with this. I don't spam you. I've literally only sent one email out to the people on my list, because I only send emails out if I think that they are providing you a high amount of value, and I myself don't like to get spammed with 10 effing emails a day from the same people trying to sell me the same product. So I don't do that to you, but you do have to enter your email address, and then it's going to take you to a webinar about this, and you're like, oh, another webinar. Okay, well, any course that you have to pay more than $50 for is probably going to send you to a webinar so that you can actually learn all about every single detail that's in it before you invest that much money into it. So it's free information. It's really good information, even if you choose not to buy it at the end, but that's how it works. It's called Free Traffic with Growth Commander, and that's what I recommend as an alternative, as a much better alternative. Cheaper, faster, lazier. All right, let's go over a couple frequently asked questions about affiliate marketing mastery. Can you still make money with affiliate marketing? Yes, definitely, and they agree. As long as products or services are around, and there are so many more now on the internet and so many more shoppers because people don't want to go to the store as much because COVID, yes, you can definitely still make money with affiliate marketing. No, it is not too saturated. There are literally billions of products that you can promote. It's not like Amazon FBA where everybody on Amazon is competing to get the most reviews on the same product. Affiliate marketing is like, you're good to go. So yes, you can still make money with it. Will I get lifetime access to affiliate marketing mastery? Yes. When you sign up for mastering book publishing. That's weird. You have to sign up for his other course in order to get lifetime access to this course? Okay, weird. I don't like that. How can I log in? Skip that one. Is affiliate marketing mastery shipped, downloadable, or available online only? Affiliate marketing mastery is digital. It's a video training program that's available through the online membership website. So once you are a member, you can log into it anywhere. How can I get a refund for affiliate marketing mastery? It's just a 30-day refund. It has to be before the 30-day period. You email their customer support, say I want a refund, and they will give it to you. Testimonials and other reviews. There are really not very many testimonials that I could find at all. There are a few reviews. There are 2 very popular blogs that have somewhat conflicting opinions about this course. Ippei.com, Ippei.com. He's a very popular blogger. He has a very nice review about this course, and so he really enjoyed this course. He has really nice things to say about it. eBiz Facts, which is a very popular blog, has some issues with the course. Same thing I kind of said. It's going to take you a very long time. There's no real proof. There's no testimonials. So there's good and bad. There are tons of people on Stefan's YouTube channel who are very happy with him as a person. So as a person, Stefan has a ton of good reviews, a ton of good testimonials. As a course creator, as his course doesn't have the same thing. What does it cost? There are definitely more costs associated with starting affiliate marketing. Always, no matter what course you pick, there's going to be some software costs. But the cost of this course by itself is $1,000, $997. He does also give you the option of making 3 payments of $400 about. So you end up paying a couple $100 more if you do it that way, but it's $997, so about $1,000. Refunds, like we talked about, there is a 30-day money back guarantee. All you have to do is ask for it through the support and they will give it to you. My final thoughts: overall, it's good content. It's too expensive for what you get. It takes too long and there's not many success stories. So my final verdict, I don't recommend this course. I think that Stefan is a good guy with a legit course, but it takes too long to start making money with his program. If you're looking for a way to make passive income online, you want it to be fast, you want to start making money quickly, I think if his students were willing to put in a few years to build up their brand, they could be making a lot of money, but nobody wants to do that. So if you're going to make that big of an investment, then I think you need a program that is going to get you your money back quicker and is going to help you do that a little bit more, a little bit faster. You need more done for you content and help. So I recommend that you click the link in my description below. That's the course I recommend. It's much quicker. There is a bunch of done for you content and it's cheaper. So if you're interested in that, check it out in the link in my description below. Thanks for tuning in for another review with Get Free with Annie. Go out and get free, friends!